What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Police Surprise Biker at Gas Station Ends Badly." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
Gas station following multiple reports of an intoxicated man waving around a bottle of vodka on his motorcycle.
Hi, sir. You want to go and sit down real quick? What? Thank you. Sit down. We need to have a conversation.
Hey, what's up, man? Nice to meet you. You good?
Here, let's go ahead and take a seat.
So real quick, who you on the phone with, man?
Hey,
I want you to get off the phone so you can talk to me, all right?
Yeah,
What's going on?
I love you guys. I'd rather you have me do
Nope.
Take that with me. I'll bet you would.
You got love a woman or a police for it, right? Come on, man. I ain't turning up from my You know what? That's my bait. Like I see you, you're beautiful. It gotta be so hard for you to be a woman.
Not at all.
And being the field of a guy. I respect it, blessing the fire. But this, that's my baby.
Yeah? You paid it off?
No.
No? You owe a lot?
I owe a lot. Yeah, but she's my girl. That's my woman. Alright.
I want you to place the left foot on the line.
Hey, I love you, girl. I love you.
Look. Yo, I'm talking to you. Alright? Don't worry, you're going to see a lot more women.
Hey, Daniel, it's okay. I'm alright.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
You're going to have to stop looking back, alright? I want you to put your left foot on the line. Left foot on the line.
Left?
Uh-huh.
Okay. 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Alright. I want you to put your heels close together again, like this. Hands by side.
I'm sorry, but driving drunk is dangerous regardless, right? But driving drunk on a motorcycle is a whole different level of danger. Like, at least in a car, like, there's a little protection. There's no protection on no motorcycle. None. None. Like, you ain't, boy, you playing a dangerous game, boy.
Are you ready?
Done?
Do this?
Daniel, right?
I was going here for 2 hours.
You were going the wrong way on 50 when you pulled in.
Bro, I sat here for 2 hours. You really gonna patronize me? You really gonna do this?
Oh yeah, they had to get them together.
In front of my son! You gonna patronize me in front of my fucking son? What's up, man? Hey, take off these cuffs. Take off these cuffs. You gonna take off these fucking cuffs, nigga. What? You ain't gonna look me in the fucking in the face. You ain't gonna look me in the fucking face. Huh? You ain't gonna look me in the battery charge. Man, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Do you have the route?
You gonna look me in my face.
Go back around.
Look me in my face. You a bitch. Look me in my face. Tell me. You fucking.
Do you want who's got the route?
No.
No, he's gonna need it. He's gonna break your window. We need to figure something out with him.
Both you guys up. Take the back up. Now you want the well, okay. You understand? Okay. I'll fuck you up.
Alright, he's gonna take it.
You understand that shit? Y'all fuck with me for no reason.
I'm being 51 with the route. Do you want me to have like Lieutenant bring one?
Hey, you got it hard, girl. You got it hard with men. And you got it hard to dealing with them. Man, you man up to that shit.
I'm gonna get a bag and put his stuff in for you real quick.
Me and him are gonna grab a leg.
Hand it to you.
Yeah.
Do you want me to go behind or you want me to stay right here? Okay.
No, open it. You bro. Hey, I wasn't even driving a motorcycle. And you sat there doing the test. Like I wasn't even on the motorcycle. Alright. You wasn't even on the motorcycle. Not catching me in the act. How the fuck you arrest me if you can't catch me in the act? Where is human rights? Where is Florida rights, right? Ain't Florida rights? Ain't Florida rights is like you gotta catch me in the act of doing something?
Daniel, stop,
You're
bro.
a fucking disgrace to
Stop, bro.
Boricua. You're a fucking disgrace.
Stop.
You know what? You're a fucking
Stop.
disgrace.
Stop.
Stop. What?
No, I didn't get it. You fucking kicked me.
You're a fucking disgrace. You're a fucking disgrace. You're a fucking...
Oh, they got the white shirt there, supervisor there now, boy. He getting busy. She was taking long with them cuffs. He wasn't even moving his hand in the beginning. I don't even know what was taking her so long with them cuffs. But
No, I didn't get it. You fucking kicked me.
You're a fucking disgrace. You're a
yeah.
fucking disgrace. You're a fucking... You what? You guys arrested me for no reason. You guys arrested me for no reason.
Take it off.
Okay.
You guys arrested me for no reason.
I got it.
You arrested me for no reason.
Hey, hold his leg down.
You arrested me for no reason. I wasn't even on my bike.
Got kicked once.
You didn't say no.
Yeah, probably me.
I'll fucking hang this on you. You understand? It ain't hard to find where you live. It ain't hard.
What's up, bro? Step back. Go back now. Go back.
Hey, get your fucking hands on my son.
Hey.
You get your fucking run. Yo,
The other piece.
you bitch. Y'all scared. Y'all I will fuck you up.
He's trying to bite you.
I will fuck you up. I'll fuck you up. I don't give a fuck who you is. You touch my son again, I'll fucking kill. I'll fucking
Let me grab the thing.
You hear me? Hey, how does it feel to be the boy?
I'm pushing underneath.
Hey, how does it feel to be?
Boy, that boy gonna have a long day down there in the county, boy. Once they get that word back to the county, it's like let's say you go to prison, right? Let's say you go to prison, and let's say you snitched on your co-defendant or something, right? Or you snitched on somebody. That is going to travel with you, right? To every prison you go to or every whatever. The word is going to get out. It's the same thing with like officers, COs, stuff like that. If you was a problem child, that travels with you. Whew.
I'm gonna be the bitch in the man's world. You touch my, hey, you touch my,
Which way you want him?
son
Which way
again.
you want him?
You touch my son again. I'm gonna f*** you up. You know who you
Yes,
Can you grab the
illusion.
You know who you put in? You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed of who the fuck you are. My son. I'll get you. Yeah, you ain't showing up. You ain't even ashamed. Shut up.
Kevin's.
Shut up.
Oh,
Shut up.
shit. Oh, Jesus.
Shut up. Shut up. You should be in the straight.
I'm the son.
You're a son?
Yeah.
Where's your ID now?
ID?
Yeah.
I don't have it on me, but I have a license.
Okay, do you have a picture of your license?
Don't ever walk up like that again. You gotta stay 25 feet away. Or else you go to jail for
No,
obstruction.
sorry, go to jail. Yeah, don't walk up on a scene like that or else you can get arrested, okay?
Okay,
If we're doing that kind of stuff, he's crazy. He's drunk.
I was trying to calm him down.
Yeah, no, in that situation, no one's calming him down.
Daniel was charged with felony DUI fourth or subsequent offense, criminal mischief, and battery on an officer ×3. His bond was set at $27,500. He made bond and a public defender was appointed. He entered a not guilty plea on all charges on May 22, 2025. As of today's date, the case is currently open status.
Damn, it's not closed yet. Damn, I want to see how much time he got. That you could get like a year. Battery on Leo ×3 is kind of, but you know how the system is nowadays. You know, you probably just gonna get probation. Probably get 2 months probation. You know, that's how that go. Officers did a good job though. They get a 3. They did a good job. Let me know in the comment section what you rate these officers. How well did they do? I'll catch you in the next one.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.